Welcome back to Auto Show Cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have something special, the 2025 Audi Q8, the ultimate luxury SUV. A perfect blend of sophistication, power, and cutting-edge technology, this vehicle is designed for those who demand the best. From the moment you lay eyes on the Q8, it commands attention. The bold single-frame grille, sharp matrix LED headlights, and sculpted body lines create an aggressive yet elegant stance. This SUV isn't just about looks, it's about presence. The frameless doors and optional 23-inch alloy wheels add a touch of exclusivity, making it clear that the Q8 is in a class of its own. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a world of luxury. Premium Valcona leather seats with contrast stitching, open-pore wood trims, and ambient lighting set the mood for an upscale driving experience. The twin-screen MMI infotainment system seamlessly integrates with Audi's virtual cockpit, providing a fully digital and intuitive interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Bang & Olufsen premium sound system ensure that every drive is as entertaining as it is comfortable. Under the hood, the 2025 Q8 delivers power and performance in equal measure. Equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, it produces an impressive 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the Q8 offers exceptional handling in all conditions. If you crave more power, the SQ8 and RSQ8 variants push the limits even further, with the RSQ8 packing a monstrous 591 horsepower from its twin-turbo V8. But the Q8 isn't just about raw performance, it's also a leader in safety and technology. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems ensure maximum security on the road. The air suspension system adapts to different driving conditions, providing a plush ride in comfort mode or a sportier feel when needed. With a starting price around $75,000, the 2025 Audi Q8 delivers exceptional value for a luxury SUV in its class. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or advanced technology, the Q8 has it all. That's it for today. Let us know in the comments, would you take the Audi Q8 over its rivals? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.